If you want to unlink your TripAdvisor account from Facebook, follow these simple steps to ensure your accounts are no longer connected. Step 1. Log into TripAdvisor. Visit the TripAdvisor website or open the app and log into your account using your credentials. Step 2. Access account settings. Once logged in, navigate to your account settings. This is usually found by clicking on your profile picture or username in the top right corner. Step 3. Find linked accounts. In the account settings menu, look for an option labeled linked accounts or social media connections. Click on this option to view your connected accounts. Step 4. Unlink Facebook. Locate the Facebook option in the list of linked accounts. There should be an option to unlink or disconnect. Click on this option to remove the connection. Step 5. Confirm changes. After unlinking, you may be prompted to confirm your choice. Follow any on-screen instructions to finalize the disconnection from Facebook. By following these steps, you will successfully unlink your TripAdvisor account from Facebook. If you have any further questions or need assistance, feel free to reach out to TripAdvisor support.